doing, guys. That's about all I'm gonna get it. The fenders should be under the water, but it's not gonna make it, so maybe it's enough I can push it off. Okay, as you guys know, I've been having trouble with that old Predator motor right there, but we've done a lot of work to it and added some new parts on her, so hopefully she'll do good today. We put a new coil on it, put a new carburetor on it. I changed the oil in it, and I adjusted the valves on it, and that's all we've done to it. Which that's a lot. That's a lot for that little motor right there. It should be good. It ran great at the house and the barn, so I need to get it out on the water and put it under a load and see what it's going to do. I ain't got it hot yet, so we're going to try that today. And I'm in Geneva down here at the only place close to me that I can really put in. The boat ramp that I like is Oak Grove, but there's just not enough water. I can't get the boat to float off the trailer there, so I barely got it to float off the trailer here. And I have noticed I've got a few leaks in the boat where that rib joins. Got a little leak on that rivet and on that rivet there. The river is at 2.5 feet right here in Geneva, which is pretty low. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful day, and so it's enough for ambling. Let's get it in the water. Let's get this thing on the. Let's get this show on the road. All right, let's go up here and see. Running pretty good right now, but I see bottom everywhere. Look how shallow it is. Maybe that's pretty dang shallow, but we're gonna run on up here a little ways and kind of just get it warm, and then we might run up that creek. I'll show y'all. That's a beautiful creek right there. Seems to be running pretty good right now. I want to show y'all this little creek though. This is a beautiful little creek. I don't know how far up it I can go. It's still idle up a little high. I'm gonna try to idle that down a little bit before I go up in this creek. Go down here a little ways and turn around. But yeah, this is Double Bridges Creek right here. It's right here at the junction in Geneva, just above the boat ramp. where I should have turned around at, but I didn't. Yeah, I'm kind of on bottom, but that's about as far as I'm gonna be able to go anyway. There's a big old tree right there. But yeah, we're stuck. Like big time. Maybe if I can get over there, I can float it. Got out, but that wasn't too easy. But I mean, it's floating in next to nothing on water here, so I mean, I'm ankle deep. If I'd have stayed over that way a little bit, I might have made it, but I bottomed out on this sandbar right here. If you can look, it's still sitting on the bottom right here. Make a turn right here. This is the junction of the P River and the Chatahachie, the confluence they call it. And it's going to get really shallow up the P River, so probably won't be able to go very far. We're going to just go over there and look a minute, turn around, come back. It's shallow right here. I see all the way across the river. the Highway 52 bridge. No. 27, I'm sorry. Highway 27, south of Geneva. I go to Defuniac. Came all the way up here on the P River, so yeah, that's pretty good. It's running tremendously better than what it was, so yeah, I love it. Not trying to quit. Yeah, what y'all think about that little creek? That is a beautiful little creek. If it was just another half a foot, you know, it's 2.5 foot here. If it was 3 foot, you could run all the way up it, or for a long ways anyways. Yeah, that's a beautiful little creek. This is just a beautiful area. The Choctawhatchee River meets the P River right here. Really beautiful, man. It's just awesome. And the mud motor, the Predator engine is doing really well. I don't know why. Let me try it right here. I don't know why it's not wanting to start. Try this. That might be a starter issue or a battery issue. I'll go home and test that battery. I think it's the battery. Okay. Yeah, that determines it. I think my battery might be weak or the starter's dragging a little, one or the other. We'll charge that battery up good. This battery, it's one of them, it's a LiPo battery. And it's the Echo Worthy. I guess that's how you say it, Echo Worthy. It's a 100 milliamp battery. And it's really lightweight. I mean, that's why I bought it, to go in this boat and for the kayak also. But it's a really lightweight battery, and I've had it for about a year. And I hadn't really used it a lot. I've used it a little bit, but it seems to be working good, but I think it needs a charge on it. We're gonna load this baby up and get on to the house and have some supper. We'll see y'all soon in the water. Bye now.